Natural air conditioner. The Earth's temperature remains constant about 5 meters below the surface. The system of pipes is buried underground to take advantage of this constant temperature. Air is drawn into the system from inside the building. The warm air travels through the underground pipes. As the air moves through the pipes, it cools down by absorbing Earth's cooler temperature. The cooled air is then circulated back into the building. This system works like a natural air conditioner without needing much electricity. In winter, the process can work in reverse, warming the air using Earth's warmth. The underground pipes are made of durable materials like PVC or copper. This system reduces energy consumption and is more eco friendly than traditional air conditioning. Thank you.